Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Given a spherical ball which is suspended in a closed box, and temperature of this spherical ball is given to us, and it is told that it absorbs any radiation that falls on it. Now in the first part of the question we have to find the amount of radiation that is falling on this ball per second of time. So first of all I am writing the given data for this question. We have given the surface area that is 20 semi square, or I can say 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Temperature is given to us that is 57 degrees Celsius, or this is 330 Kelvin, and time is given to us that is 1 second. Now in the first part of the problem we have to find the radiation that falls on it, that is given by E is equals to A into sigma into T to the power 4, and we have given the Stephen Boltzmann constant that is sigma is equals to 6 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin to the power 4. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 332 to the power 4. After solving this we get this is 1.42 joule. So this is the amount of radiation that is falling on this sphere per second of time. Now in the second part of the problem we have given a temperature that is T1 is given to us, which is 200 degrees Celsius, or I can say 473 Kelvin, and we have to find the net rate of heat flow to or from the ball at an instant. So and temperature T2 is 330 Kelvin. So heat flow rate can be given by that is Q by T is equals to A into sigma into E into T1 to the power 4 minus T2 to the power 4. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into emissivity is 1, and this is 473 to the power 4 minus 330 to the power 4. After solving this we get the value that is 4.58 watt, and this is from the spherical ball. This amount of heat is flowing from this spherical ball, and this is our answer for this given question. So we see that in the first part our answer is that is 1.42 joule, and in the second part our answer is 4.58 watt, and this is from the ball. These are our answer for given question. Thank you.